Hey guys, welcome to another hair tutorial with me, your girl Latoya. Now for this hair tutorial, I will be using my ultra gel wax just to lay my hair down. I will also be using my Aunt Jackie's curler lock to lock in some moisture, and I'm definitely going to use my scissors to snip away and my tail comb to achieve the look. Now, as usual, I like to part from ear to ear, which is much easier for me when my hair is sectioned off, so I can go in to start the braid patterns. The hair that I'll be using for this tutorial is the Realistic Ghana Twist. This is the 3X Afro Twist Bulk 16-inch, and I paid 1,750 Jamaican dollars per pack. Now this hair has 3 bundles, with each bundle consisting of 12 strands. So in total there are 36 strands per pack. So what I'm doing, I'm going to pull out one of the strands and I'm just going to fold it down the middle and cut it into 2. So for each strand of hair, I can get 2 twists from it. So I've already started the back portion of my hair and I'm just showing you the partings. So what I did was to do the brick form of parting to give the hair a fluffier look. So what you want to do is to do your partings on top of each box braid so that the hair falls in between each other. Now the first thing you want to do is to apply your gel, and you can use whatever gel that you have, to the base of your hair to get it sleek and tidy as possible. Then I'm just going to go in with my Aunt Jackie's curler, and again you can use whatever product it is that you have that moisturizes your hair. So guys, I'm going to go in with the first half of the hair and fold it in the middle to create 2 strands. My natural hair will then become the 3rd strand in order for me to go in and do the braid pattern. So I like to do the braid pattern as much as possible until I'm satisfied that the hair is secure enough. When my natural hair falls in the middle, I will separate it into 2. So each piece of my natural hair will go with the braid, and then I do the twist portion going down. Because of the texture of the hair, I had to apply my moisturizer as my fingers started to hurt a bit. So guys, I've completed the back portion of my hair, and so far I'm loving the texture, I'm loving the look, but I have to be honest with you, my fingers were hurting as the hair is very coarse. So you have to be applying your moisturizer. Now time for the front portion. So guys, let's show you how to install this hair again. So you want to first apply your ultra gel wax to your natural hair. Then you take your first half of the braid and fold it down the middle to create 2 strands. Now your natural hair will become the 3rd piece, and what you want to do is to do a braid pattern, and you can do this as much as possible until you're satisfied that the hair is safely secured. Now when your natural hair gets back into the middle, you want to separate it into 2, so each piece of your natural hair goes with one of the braid. Now you want to do your twist pattern going down until you are finished. Now guys, what I've noticed too with this hair is that it tends to clump up a bit, so you may have to go in with your comb to just detangle it and then finish the twist pattern. So guys, for this tutorial, I want my hair to fall to the side. Now as you can see, after parting my hair, I'm going to apply my gel wax to the parted section, and I'm going to retrace that parted section so it can be neat and tidy as possible. So guys, for this hair, I must admit it was a bit challenging for me. The hair kept shedding, it get tangled up. I have to be going in with my comb all the time to detangle it. My fingers started to burn. I have to be applying the moisturizer to my hair. So these are definitely challenges that you want to be aware of before purchasing this hair. So guys, after roughly 5 hours, I was super excited to be doing the last portion of hair. So to complete this look, I'm just going to go in with my mousse, and this is just to help to hold down the frizz and give your hair a more defined look. So guys, next I'm just going to go in with my scissors to trim the ends, and you can trim as much as possible because I promise you this hair won't unravel. So guys, this is the final look. I am truly loving this hairdo. The twists are well defined and the hair itself, it's very natural looking. I also love the fact that it is very versatile. You can swim, you can exercise, and you can style the hair to fit any occasion. Now I am definitely gonna do a review between this hair and the Springy Afro Twist hair. So if you have not yet watched that video, go and check out my Springy Afro hair tutorial, because guys, there's definitely some similarities and there are also differences. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Thumbs up this video, post your comments and share. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye guys.